Tom with Mercury Security, and welcome back to the Mercury Minute. Last time we talked about those centralized designs and deployments, the ones that get tucked in those little IT rooms that seem to get messier and messier over time. Today, we're going to the edge. In edge-based designs, the controller lives out by the door. It usually makes for shorter cable runs since you're just going from the door to somewhere around the door, usually up in the ceiling. It's an ideal option for buildings with really tricky layouts or for hard to get to locations, and it's just pretty simple. You have a door, that door gets a controller, you have another door, that door gets a controller, and so on. Every door gets its own controller. Now, just so you don't think I'm pulling wool over your eyes, you still have to get some cable to the door. Usually that's Cat 5 or Cat 6 powered with PoE. That's usually simpler, less expensive, and done by some structured cabling company. So if it's so much simpler then what's the catch? Maintenance can be more of a pain. You're setting up a ladder in front of a door where people are trying to walk through. It's really inconvenient sometimes. So make sure you label everything like your job depends on it, because, well, it kind of does. And finally, even though the cable cost may be less expensive, you're likely paying a little bit more in controllers, since you have a single controller going to each and every single door. So to sum it all up, edge-based designs bring resiliency, flexibility, and simplicity, but it does come with some pitfalls. What do you think? Are edge-based designs great? Are they terrible? Do you love it? Tell me in the comments below. Tune in next Monday morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Time for the next episode. That's the Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See y'all next time.